feet are fucking hard on me, you know?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting day because your girl graduates today. I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me and a bit of a vlog. They're basically supposed to go on a bus together to go to where my graduation is and practice. So that's that. I'm gonna get ready, you know, I'm gonna go eat. As far as makeup, I don't really want to wear any makeup, but I'm gonna put some on my forehead just to cover up a little bit of acne and to, you know, like make it blend out a little bit. And then yeah, anyway, I had the most strangest dream last night. Like, it felt so real, y'all. Like, it was so weird. Like, it was one of those dreams that didn't make sense. It was like it kept like switching between like dreams and dreams, if that makes sense. And it was like different topics. It was never like a story dream. It's like I had like multiple dreams that night, and it was just like kind of weird. It's probably gonna be so wrinkled. I was thinking about putting it in the dryer, my thing, but I think my grandma wants to iron it for me because I'm just gonna put it on because I don't feel like ironing it, but I know she wants it ironed. So, and oh my god, let me show you guys my cute shoes. These are my cute shoes. Look at how cute they are. Pearls. And I got them wide and like medium, that way my feet aren't like dying to death the whole time I'm there. Okay, and then this is the dress I'm wearing. It has navy blue, black, and white in it. And as you can see, it goes with this pretty good, like that blue right there. And then these are the shoes, you know, period. Like, it's just doing what it's supposed to do. And this is a like scrunched dress. All right, y'all, so let me put my camera on. I just got out the shower. Let me show you guys the dress. This is the dress. I had to tie this thing in the back because I didn't like how it looked. But my hair's gonna be down and I'm gonna have my cap on the whole time. So I feel like it's honestly gonna look cute. I wanted to eat before I left. I don't know if I'm still gonna be able to do that. All right, this is how, this is what I did to my hair. I put these twisties in for graduation. But I'm gonna put these lashes on. I need to do my edges now. I'm gonna do my edges. You know.
Congratulations, bye.
Wait, fix your thing. Yeah. The other side.
Is mine good?
Yeah.
I thought it was when we switch it. My feet are fucking hard on me, you know?
So I can't feel shit. I'm so quick to fucking kill shit. I'm a robber and a menace. DOA, that's the gang I knew. Married to the streets, yeah, that's my boo. Ain't gon' stop it till we through. I just hope y'all knew. All my honeys know they knew. All my money know is blue. Red bottoms up on my shoes. I'm dripping blue. I fell in love with my job. I had a shootout with the cops. I'm gonna slide around with my shot. I'm a menace and a robber. So I started to think about the plans I made this day.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Lehman High School graduating class of 2022.
It is with great honor that I ask you to move your tassel from the right side of your riverboard to your left. This signifies the end of your journey with us and the beginning of a new journey that lies ahead. I am honored to present to you the graduating class of 2022. Senior band members, may join the graduation band in the final performance of the school song and the fight song. Go ahead and do that now.
Wait, where are we going?
Bad walk through, bad bitches walk through. Spin your last on me like who you came to talk to. This that.
Hey y'all, I'm home. And what better way to stay in bed and watch TV and be lazy on graduation? I got me a milkshake though, and I'm gonna have a bunch of chicken tonight. I'm going out tomorrow anyway. That's why I didn't want to go out for my graduation. I just want to be simple, low key. Plus, my feet were hurting. I had on heels pretty much all day, you know? So, I just want to be in bed. Just knowing that I don't have to go to school ever again just isn't adding up. I have one more accomplishment in my life that I need to do. And I'm scared. My feet, on a scale of 1 to 10, my feet were hurting on a 5, 6. It truly was not that bad. There were some other people that had on some way higher heels and other heels than me, so I felt bad for them. Had a really good day. It honestly, it don't even feel like I don't know, I haven't caught the moment yet. I feel like after summer, I'll feel dang, no school for real. But I have to take things serious, be good with my money, things like that. Think positive. I have to manifest what I want every day, every time, every hour, every minute, every second. Manifest. Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching, y'all.